Now you may or you may not have seen this device. This is a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. So it's got a curved edge on both sides. Absolutely awesome. Released in April 2015, I think it was. So it's just over 4 years old. Now I have moved over from this device subsequent times, but I like to keep old devices to play around with old ROMs and software. So as you can see, if I turn it around here, just sitting in its box, you can see the battery has ballooned without me having to actually do anything. You can kind of see the battery inside there, and it's actually prized away the back of the phone from the actual chassis there, and it's still pretty glued on well and tight there. I've got a skin on the back here, but that doesn't actually hold the back onto the device, so it's still really nailed on there. That glue is pretty tight, so I can't actually pry it away fully. But yeah, just over 4 and a bit years old, Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge doesn't turn on, and yeah, the battery just ballooned all on its own. I wonder what would happen if I were to plug this thing in. Would it set on fire, or would it explode? So micro USB connector there. I doubt it will actually power on. Pressing the power on button does absolutely nothing. So yeah, this thing's dead as a dodo. The battery itself has ballooned, and there you go. You can see the wireless Qi charging pad there, and bingo, there we go. The battery has ballooned, and you can see it's a 2600 milliamp hour rated battery. So it's not hot or anything. As I say, it wasn't being used, just left in its box, and when I went to get out to play with it, and yeah, the battery's ballooned. It was fine, perfectly fine last year, but yeah, decided to die. Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge, just over 4 years old, with a ballooned battery.